try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. Your check is I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say, cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when
comparisons. Okay, number 35, extend lang kamay. Sa left. So since 8 ra mo kabuok, so ang first na comparison is 35-9 of number 7, number 22. Please forward, step forward. 35, 9, 7, and 22. Okay, sa likod, extend mo kamay rin. Tunga mo. Okay. So now, this is bodybuilding. So again, symmetry and proportion. This time, conditioning and muscularity. Importante kayo. Then, wala na quarter turns. Dito nag 7 mandatory poses. Okay. Front double biceps. Flex your legs, good up. Okay, relax. Any side chest pose. Any side, best side ninyo. Okay, relax. Turn to your rear, show us your rear double bicep. Adjust mo ha. Okay, relax. Rear lat spread. Now. Flex your hamstrings and your calves. Baktak. Okay, relax. In the best side, tricep pose. Now. Okay, relax. Face front. Abdominal and thigh pose. Now. Flex your thighs. Okay, relax. Your best, most muscular. Now. Okay, relax. Okay, step backwards, gentlemen. Okay, katong Ayusan mo sa front, ayusan mo katong ganyan, ayusan mo sa likod. Mayroon comparison. Di na mo makita. Steady sa inyo ang relax pose diya, front relax pose. Okay, I'm on my first competitor comparison. Number 9, forward. Number 9. Excuse me sir, number 9 sir, number 9 lang. Thank you. Number 7. Number 23. 23. Number 13. 12, number 12. Number 28. I just got myself left. Number 28, Diri Kastunga. Okay, prepare for 7 mandatory poses. Front double bicep. Legs good up. Symmetry and proportion, mamater ka good. Okay, relax. Front lat spread. Okay, relax. chest pose. Oblique, side glutes. Relax. Turn to your rear. Draws your rear double bicep. With calves extended, flex your hamstrings. Relax. Rear lat spread. Okay, relax. Face front. Abdominal and thigh pose. Okay, relax. Show us your most muscular pose. Now. You relax. Okay, number 7 and 12 remain. 28, 9, and 23, you can proceed backwards. Okay, sama. Number 22, number 35, and number 4. 35 and 22, exchange mo. Exchange mo, 25 and 35 and